Don't drive in the dark. Learn to replace your headlight. Here's the reference. We will remove this white thing and then we will turn this counterclockwise. Go underneath. I think it's out. There you go. You see that? This is a clip. Yeah, there you go. See? Counterclockwise. Turn. Yeah, there you go. Counterclockwise. There you go. Don't touch this with your bare hand because of the oil. It might overheat. So this is the part. I just bought one. The type 9006 for my car. Same Sylvania. There you go. Okay. Push. And then turn clockwise to lock. That's it. Yeah, there. You heard that click? Now it's vertical. Got it? Now I'm gonna put this. See this? White thingy, okay? I'm gonna plug it. And push upwards. Heard the click? It locks. That's it. Let's test it. Okay, that's the headlight.